Kana President Mugathe William Samoei Ruto ni atariria tena ari na muoroto wa gutigirira ati ni heria Aungumania othe na aria makoretwo sector-ini ya urugamiriri wa Mititu akiaria hingo ya kurekererio kwa makurutu aria makorirwo makihubwo thombe ya muthenya wa mothe. President William Ruto ni ugite ati ndari no ndonge o gutigirira ati ni ahukana ni atigirira ni ahuthira njira iria ciothe kuhota gutigirira ni ahorana na Ungumania. Gukiri uguo President no makoretwo makiamukira mishara ya thirikari no ni Ungumania makorwo makeherio mitambo-ini ya thirikari na makiria kwamukagira mishara yao
kupitia kwa ushirikiano na wizara ambayo inahusika na na KFS. Kumepatikana wale wafanyikazi wa KFS waliozembea kazini, walio wafisadi na walioshughulika na kusaidia kuharibika kwa misitu ya taifa letu la Kenya. Na nimeamrisha bodi ya KFS, hawa wote waliopatikana aidha wakizembea ama wakijihusisha na ufisadi ama wakichangia kuharibika kwa misitu yetu, wote waondolewe kazini na wapelekwe kotini. Wamepatikana tayari forest managers and forest rangers 23. Those who have been found either compromised, incompetent or engaged in corruption in this space that has led to the destruction of our forest assets, I have instructed the board to remove them from being officers of government and workers of government, and as the DCI is concluding investigations, to make sure that these people are prosecuted. From tomorrow, I don't want them in government payroll. These are people who are saboteurs and who are encouraging the destruction of our environment. There must be a thorough cleanup in the Kenya Forest Service. Now I have instructed the ministry to make sure that the tragedy that had become of the Kenya forest and environmental conservation in our country must come to an end.
Thirikari ya bururi wa Kenya